The Note series users won't going to get S23 Ultra. Samsung is trying to convert the Galaxy S series into a Note series flagship, and there's one big reason. Samsung is dropping the idea of curved edges, and we will see a flat display on the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. But don't expect a flat display just like the base model. Instead, you can expect a similar boxy design just like we have seen on the Note series. As Samsung is going to unite the S series and Note series, we might see a mix of both devices, with the boxy design and S Pen, which is a signature of Note series. And what more important is the front camera location will quite similar to Galaxy S22 Ultra. It will be just like a refined version of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, nothing more. But have you ever thought of thickness? Well, luckily, if you take a look at the sides, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be thicker than the S22 Ultra. And there is possibly two reasons. One, that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting a flatter display which makes it look thicker. And second, a better thought we can have is getting a bigger battery in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Do you guys know that the Samsung could use as new stacking technology for the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra? Earlier this year, Samsung started working on the new technology, where you can put a bigger battery in the same space as rollable technology. And according to earlier rumors, we might see this technology on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which can bring a bigger battery in the S23 Ultra, but with the same size as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Around 5500 mAh battery we can expect from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And having a new Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, it will be a battery champ and can easily run out the Galaxy S22 Ultra with slightly bigger battery and more power efficient processor. Did you notice? Next year, Samsung is not going to put an Exynos processor. Instead, they're going to ship the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor phones all over the world, which is a big thing. Although we don't see much difference in the Galaxy S22 and the S23 Ultra, but cameras is where S23 Ultra will outperform its predecessor and even its competitors with 200 megapixel main lens. And Samsung didn't even launch this sensor, which is HP2. We might see this sensor later this year, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to be the first phone to have this sensor. If you're interested in getting the S23 Ultra, then let me tell you something important. This phone could be the fastest phone for the next year, and there's one big reason. UFS 4.0, the fastest storage option, which gives twice the speed as the UFS 3.1, which every phone uses right now. And there is some speculation about the satellite feature to the next Android version, and let's see how Samsung will take this since Google already started working on it. And if you love Android phones, then here's an exclusive leaked unboxing video of Google Pixel 7 Pro. You can check it now in this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.